Enabling DNSSEC is actually very easy, and in this video I will show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, DNSSEC simply means Domain Name System Security Extensions, and it's a set of protocols that add security to your DNS by enabling authentication of DNS data. So this prevents attackers from forging or manipulating DNS responses, and some of these responses can be redirecting users to malicious websites. Now, to enable DNSSEC, what you need to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the domain of which you want to enable the DNSSEC for. Then you go to DNS, you go to settings, and right here you can see DNSSEC. You're going to click on enable DNSSEC. Now you're going to get a prompt that says to enable DNSSEC, you will need to add this DS record to your registrar. So you're going to go to your registrar. You can click here for more information on that. And you're going to copy all this information to your registrar. And you're going to click confirm. Once you click confirm, it's going to tell you it's pending, and we wait for DS record to be added to your register. It's going to take 10 minutes. And that's how you enable DNSSEC in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.